In this segment, let us see the importance of communication skills in engineering careers. Today, engineering careers like IT, electronics, data science, mechanical fields are growing fast. Many people think that if you're good at coding, calculations, and designing systems, you will automatically succeed. Technical skills are important, no doubt, but at the same time, communication skills are equally important. Communication skills play a big role in the success of every technical professional. Communication skills simply means sharing your ideas and information clearly so others can understand you. In technical job, communication helps connect your technical knowledge with people, project and real world needs. Technical professionals work with complex ideas, systems, and data, but these ideas are useful only when others understand them. Communication helps you explain how something works, why you choose a particular design, and how the problems can be fixed. For example, a software engineer may build a great application, but if they cannot explain how to use it or write clear instruction, users may struggle. An engineer who cannot clearly explain risks or issues may cause mistake that can cost time and money. Good communication makes sure your technical work actually gives results. Most technical work is done in teams. Engineer, developer, testers, designers, and managers must work together. Clear communication makes teamwork smooth. When the team members communicate well, they understand their tasks, share updates, and avoid confusion. This saves time and reduces errors. Poor communication can lead to misunderstanding, delays, and frustration. Professionals who communicate clearly are seen as dependable team members and are often trusted with bigger opportunities. Problem solving is a daily part of technical jobs. Many problems are complex and need different ideas to solve them. Communication helps people discuss problems openly and think together. When you explain a problem clearly and listen to others, better solutions come out faster. Meetings, discussions, and brainstorming sessions all need good communication. New ideas grow when people feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. Technical professionals often talk to clients, customers, managers, or business leaders who are not technical experts. In such cases, using too much technical language can confuse them. Good communication means explaining complex ideas in simple words. This builds trust and avoids misunderstanding. Professionals who can explain technical work in an easy way are highly valued by companies. As professionals grow in their careers, their roles change. Senior roles involve leading teams, attending meetings, giving presentations, and guiding others. All these need strong communication skills. Many people are technically very strong but do not get promoted because they cannot express their ideas clearly. On the other hand, professionals who communicate well often become team leaders, managers, consultants, or trainers. In many companies, communication skills are a key factor for promotions. Good communication builds self confidence. When you can speak clearly and explain your ideas well, you feel more comfortable in meetings, interviews, and presentation. People respect professionals who communicate confidently. Managers and colleagues trust them more. Over time, this leads to better opportunities and recognition. In technical careers, communication is not an extra skill, it is a must have skill. It helps with teamwork, problem solving, leadership, and career growth. So, in conclusion, communication is very important for an engineering professional. Thank you.